Hello guys, welcome to this beginner friendly guide to getting started with Java. So first of all, why Java? Java is the most popular object oriented programming language in the world, powering everything from mobile apps to large scale enterprise systems. And the most important thing that it's versatile, platform independent and a great language for beginners due to its straightforward syntax. So to start coding in Java, first we have to set up our development environment. So first of all, open CMD and check if Java is installed in our system or not. So to check, write here Java version and enter. You can see that Java version 21.0.2 means Java 21 is installed in my system. But if in your system the Java version is not showing, that means in your system Java is not installed. So for that you have to download Java from Oracle and then you have to install it. So for that, open any browser, write Java download. From here you can see the Java download from Oracle from Java, or you can use download from Oracle also. So click the first link and here you can see a download button. But here the version is Java 8, but the current Java version is 23. So why Java 8 is recommended? So Java 8 is the most popular and mostly used Java version, and it has the LTS mean long term support. That's why we usually use Java 8. So just click download Java and you can see that Java is downloaded. So in download folder, click Java setup, click yes and click install. But in my system Java is already installed, so I am skipping this option. After installing, so what you have to do, you have to come again in the command prompt and again write Java version. Now you can see that Java version and your specific Java version will show. Okay, after the Java is installed, open Notepad. In the Notepad you have to write the first Java program. So now we can write our first Java program, that is hello world. So in every Java program, the whole code you have to write inside a class. So public class main, then we have to write the main method, public static void main string args. Then we will print hello world. System dot out dot println, and you have to write the hello world or any string inside a double quotation. Okay, our hello world program is ready. Now save the program, Ctrl S and choose the path. First click Windows C, then users, then your username, and here create a new folder and name the folder as Java. Click enter. and inside this Java folder save the Java program and check the name of the program. You have to write the name as main.java. Okay, then save. Okay, our Java program is ready. Now we have to compile the Java program and run the Java program. To compile the Java program, again open the command prompt and then change the directory to cd then Java and enter. Now we are in Java directory. Here to compile the Java program, write Java C. Java C is the main Java compiler, and here you have to write the program file name, means main.java, then enter. No error comes, means our Java program is compiled successfully, and you can check it to go to the Java folder. Here you can see that we have saved the java.main.java file, but another main.class file is created. So when we compile any Java program, the Java compiler convert the source code into bytecode and make the main.class file. Okay. Now again came to the command prompt and write Java and the method is the class name, the main class, and run the program. Yes, here you can see hello world, means we have successfully run our first Java program. Thank you.